it's Marta here, and today we're making a fun and cute appetizer, stuffed zucchini cups, with mushrooms and cauliflower rice. They're vegan and low carb. Let's do it! Let's start by making the zucchini cups. Buy the thickest zucchini you can find and trim off the edges. Then cut 5 cm or 2 inches thick slices. Then scoop out the pulp with a teaspoon. Leaving about half a centimeter or 1/4 of an inch on the edges and at the bottom. Make sure the bottom of the zucchini cup is not too thin, or the filling will leak. We used 3 large zucchini to make 12 zucchini cups. Keep a third of the pulp and chop it into small bits as we use it later for the filling. But first, let's make the cauliflower rice. Grab some cauliflower florets and blitz them in a food processor, pulsing them in short bursts, or grate them using the large side of a box grater. The cauliflower rice should look like this. Okay, now heat a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in a skillet. Add minced garlic and sizzle. Then add in the cauliflower rice and stir fry it for 5 minutes. Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper to taste. Now that the cauliflower is ready, let's set it aside and prepare the rest of the filling. Again, heat a tablespoon of olive oil with finely sliced shallots or onions. Then add in shiitake mushrooms and the zucchini pulp we saved earlier. Season with salt and pepper and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until all the water has evaporated. Now, add the cooked mushrooms to the cauliflower rice, garnish with pressed basil, and mix all together. It's time to fill our zucchini cups. Put them on a tray and spoon in the filling. Fill the cup to the brim. And for crunch and extra flavor, top it with chopped walnuts or cashews. And finally, let's bake these beauties. Here they are, vegan and low-carb stuffed zucchini cups. They're so cute and easy to make. They're so delicate yet savory. Perfect to bring over to a party or to try something new for lunch. We're sure you'll love them. If you're new to Foodaciously, please subscribe. And if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye!